Are you tired of juggling multiple bank accounts for your small business? Do you wish there was a simpler way to manage your finances, pay your team, and handle expenses all in one place? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of setting up an account with Relay, the modern business banking platform that's changing the game. Unlike traditional banks, Relay is built specifically for small businesses. It lets you create up to 20 free checking accounts, which makes it incredibly easy to organize your funds. You can separate money for payroll, taxes, operating expenses, and more. This is a powerful way to stay organized and gain a clear view of your cash flow. Plus, they offer a streamlined bill payment system and can even help automate your bookkeeping. If this sounds like the solution you've been looking for, let's dive into setting up your account. Step 1. Getting started. First, head over to the Relay website. You'll see an option to Get Started or Open Account. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a secure page to begin the application. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business, like your name, email, and a little about what your business does. Step 2. Business information. Next, you'll enter the legal details for your business. This includes your business name, address, and employer identification number, EIN. If you're a sole proprietor without an EIN, you can use your social security number. Don't worry, Relay uses top-notch security to protect all of your information. You'll also be asked to provide details about your business's ownership structure and any beneficial owners. This is a standard requirement for all financial institutions to comply with regulations. Step 3. Verifying your identity. Now, it's time to verify your identity. You'll be asked to provide a photo of a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport. This step is crucial for security and helps prevent fraud. The process is quick and can be done right from your phone or computer. Step 4. Connecting your finances. Once your information is verified, you'll be prompted to link your existing bank account. This is how you'll initially fund your new Relay account. Relay uses a secure service called Plaid to connect to your bank, so you can be sure your information is safe. This step is necessary to transfer funds and start using your new account. Step 5. Final review and approval. After completing all the previous steps, you'll be able to review your application. Take a moment to double-check that all the information is correct. Once you submit, Relay's team will review your application. In most cases, this takes less than a day, and sometimes, you'll get instant approval. You'll receive an email notification as soon as your account is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Relay account. Now you can log in, create those separate checking accounts, order your physical and virtual debit cards, and start managing your business finances like a pro. With Relay, you'll have the clarity and control you need to take your business to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.